Okay, thanks for joining us today. We'll be doing a box break of 2016 Topps Tier 1 Baseball. I want to thank Traders Retreat, Box Office Profits, for the opportunity to host today's break, along with the generosity of Topps for providing us with this great product to review. Tier 1 is one of the signature high-end Topps releases. You can see we're going to have one pack here. We're looking for 2 autographs and 1 relic inside this pack. And this one, my friends, is loaded with simply great cards throughout. So with that being said, Nathan Eovaldi is our first hit from the New York Yankees. Autograph card, numbered out of 299. Our second hit in today's pack is breakout autographs of Blake Stewart. Blake Stewart is with the Red Sox, also numbered out of 299. Promising young catcher. On to our relic pulls. We have a Kurt Suzuki. And Suzuki is numbered of 199. And our fourth relic is numbered out of 25, which is a really nice piece, which is of Ichiro. So a dual relic of Ichiro, numbered 21 of 25. So there's our Tier 1 break. Looks like it's going to be another great year for Topps Tier 1 Baseball and Topps Baseball in general. I want to thank you for joining us.